What makes a golf ball a golf ball? Episode 2, Drag and Lift. This represents airflow. We will start by testing a smooth golf ball. As you see, the airflow is going around the golf ball, but is creating what is called a low pressure zone. Low pressure zones create drag, and drag slows down a golf ball when it's flying in the air. Now we will test a dimpled golf ball. As you see, the air starts by flowing around the front of the golf ball the same way it did last time, but if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that the airflow goes into a dimple and goes around it. This process is called turbulence. Because the airflow went through the dimple, it creates another force. This force, in turn, gets pushed back into the next dimple. So this could go on until the last dimple of the golf ball. This in turn creates less area for the airflow to be, making a low pressure zone less than usual, which means less drag. Now, for this final test, we will be looking at lift. Now, the lift is made when the airflow goes around the golf ball, pushing on different sides. If the airflow is increased, the pressure on the golf ball decreases, creating lift. And less drag is more lift. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little film about this golf ball. There will be 5 films. This is the second one, so be sure to watch them. This is for a science fair project, so wish me the best of luck. Goodbye.